Hello student, myself Rajat Singh and I am a BSc B.Ed graduate from Gurukul Kangdi University and I have been teaching 5 years as a math subject, and today I am going to teach you some basics of arithmetic progression. So let's start. See, arithmetic progression, a sequence of number in order to which difference between two consecutive numbers is a constant value. See, there for example take a 2, 4, 6, it is a sequence of an AP. See, there is a difference between two numbers, that is 2 and 4 is equal to 4 and 6. See, between the difference of two numbers, that is called common difference, that we called common difference and denoted by D. For an AP, there is a formula to denote D, that is common difference, A2 minus A1. There is a series called A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on. So let's find out D. So there is a A1 and A2. See, this is A2 and this is A1. So we'll put the values of these. 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. That is D equals to 2. We have find. So let us equate them that both the numbers between are equal. That is common difference is equal in whole the interval. See, if we find A3 minus A2, that will be 6 minus 4 is equals to 2. See, common difference in the whole AP is same. So we have one more formula, that is to find the nth terms of an AP. Nth term of an AP is An equals to A plus n minus 1 D. Here n equal to number of terms. N equals to number of terms. That means in the whole AP, how much numbers are there? 10, 12, 15. See, so we will find from this formula nth terms of an AP. Again, for Sn terms, we have a formula Sn upon 2A plus n minus 1 D. See, here also n equals to number of terms and D is the common difference. Let us take the same example and find. So we are taking here A equals to 2 and D equals to A2 minus A1 equals to, that is 4 minus 2 equals to 2. So here we have find out the common difference, that is 2. So now we will put the formula values. So An equals to 2 plus n minus 1, that is common difference is D. Okay, so one thing more, that is last term we always have, that is let us suppose take an example 20, last term is 20. So we'll put last term is called An, also L, and that is 20. So we'll put here 20 n minus 1 and now here we'll find n, that is number of terms in the AP. So we'll find 2 plus 2 is equals to n minus 1 upon 2, that is will be 18, and n minus 1 upon 2, that will be 9. So our answer will be 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. See, so find the sum of this AP, that is Sn. So now I have told you the formula, that is 2 n upon 2 2A plus n minus 1 D. Here our AP is A is 2 and our D is 2. So we have found the n equals to 10. Let's put all the formula, all the values in this formula. Then we'll get the Sn. Sn is equals to sum of AP. That is the full form. So let's start. Sn equals to n. That is n is 10 upon 2. And 2 into, we'll put the value of A, that is 2 plus, and the n we have 10 minus 1 again, and D is 2. Let's divide this, that means 2 divided by and 10 divided by 2, that is 5. 2 2s are 4 and 10 minus 1 9 into 2. Again we'll apply BODMAS here, that is multiplication comes first and then division. Therefore 4 plus 18, then we'll add, that is And now we'll divide this 5 into 22. Therefore, 5 2s are 10 and 1 11. Therefore, our SN is 111.